How to prepare your home for cleaning services. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. If you have decided to hire a home cleaner, that is good news for your free time and your home too. The place will be clean and fresh, so that when you come in after a tiring day at work, you will feel great. Hello friends, welcome back to FastKlean Channel. Please watch till the end so you can get a bonus tip. It is true that by hiring a cleaning service you can free yourself, and other family members for that matter, from the annoying chores. However, that doesn't mean you can just hang up the phone after booking the service and forget about it. No, you need to do certain things so that the work of the cleaner is as efficient as possible and can in fact be carried out to your preference. Here is how you can prepare before the cleaner arrives. Declutter. You have to agree that it is not a house cleaner's duty to pick up and arrange your items. If there are things scattered around in every room, the work of the cleaner will be hindered. Besides, if you think about it, it is you that knows where every item belongs, not the cleaner. They wouldn't know where to put your children's toys, or where to store the toolkit you forgot after trying to fix the plumbing. The more you declutter, the less chance there is for your items to be misplaced during a cleaning session. Keep important documents and items under lock and key. Not only will this keep your peace of mind, but also remove the chance of the cleaner tossing something on the trash. Think about this. To an unfamiliar eye, such papers look like something that belongs in the trash. If you have your cleaner toss things in the trash, they can make such a mistake. It is best to avoid any chaos by stashing away important papers. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Keep pets at bay. There are many reasons why you might have to keep pets away for the duration of the cleaning session. On one hand, a cleaner might be uncomfortable with a pet around, especially if said pet is not used to strangers. Dogs in particular can be more problematic, as they can protect their territory, in this case, your home. In addition to that, some people are allergic to pets, and if that is the case with the cleaner, then the pet must be out of the home if they are to clean. Give specific requests. A cleaner is to come and work for a limited amount of hours per session. That means you can use their services to the best of your requirements for that time frame. Prioritize what chores you want to see done and instruct your cleaner to focus on those. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you do enjoy and learn more important tips and ideas from this video. And here's your bonus tip. Give them access. If you are not home when the cleaner arrives, ensure they can get in. Give them a copy of the key to your home and instruct them on how to turn off the alarm, if there is any. By following these tips, you ensure that the cleaner you have hired will be as effective as possible and will meet no trouble with the job. Follow up for more, or you can call us on 020-7470-9235 if you want to discuss any of this information. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out how a cleaning company London will clean the living room. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.